Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. This is Jumoke here, and if you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. If you're already a subscriber, oh god, thank you, thank you so much. You're welcome again to the channel. And today's video is Patewo Base. Yes, I almost said shuku. Patewo Base. You know, all this hairstyle the school is calling, I like it because it doesn't make me think of what hairstyle to make for her. Like some previous schools she has attended, we have to, start thinking. I'll say, she lost school. Like, what kind of hairstyle is she going to make to school this week? But thank God, this school calls hairstyle. So all I have to do is just get into action, and that is what I am doing. So it's also for the purpose of parents too. That the child school or their children's school doesn't call hairstyle, so it's just a way for you to just check the page or check my feed, and you're going to see your hairstyle, whichever one you want to make for the child for the week. So I'm glad that this is happening. And there's something about the school again, they don't use bead. No, the school doesn't allow kids to put beads on their hair, which I am very well I love that. The reason is because I used to be a teacher, so I know why that rules is it's okay for me, because there's some kids they're so stubborn, and it is not everything teachers don't see in the class. Like, you cannot see everything in the class, no. So you won't know. Like, I've been a kindergarten teacher before, and I know that as you're attending to this one, the other one has started another tantrum. That one is giving, and before you know it, a very stubborn boy from somewhere will just pull out the other one's beads because he loves the beads on the girl's hair, and anything can happen. So I think I like it this way. Though she's not in kindergarten, she's almost through with her primary education, but then it's still a good thing for me. I love it like that because I know how my daughter too can be. She's very clumsy. Before she can just say she was playing with the beads, and she does that a lot sometimes. So I like it as the school is not like they don't allow beads. It's a good thing. So enjoying the video, guys. And it's also another way for some parent that doesn't know how to even move their 10 fingers. You can just be watching this and also learn how to do something on your daughter's hair. At least for this whole term, we'll be doing weekly hairstyle. It's another great way for for parents or for mothers to learn how to do this. This is just patewo, and the thing I only did to this patewo, I just put little twist, not much. I just want it to be straight regular twist. Straight regular hair. I just did small curve, so it doesn't look usual, because most times the school too, they usually call same hairstyles. Sometimes. So today's one is just Patewo Base. So that's the hairstyle for this week, guys. I hope you like it, and I hope you're enjoying it. Please kindly subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the like button as well, and don't forget to put on your notification bell to see and to also know and to watch when I'll be dropping a new video. So I think I'm supposed to be dropping the video every Monday morning or Sunday night, but sorry, I can't do that because I have a lot to do. I'll make her hair and I'll still attend to the kitchen. So I'm the only one doing the job. So instead of me doing all of that, I'll only be uploading, I think, every Tuesday. That's when I upload these videos. But I will still try as much as possible to upload maybe Sunday night, if I can edit Sunday, because most time I make the hair on Sunday so that her hair can last till Friday. She has this type of hair that once you made the hair, by Tuesday it's getting rough already, and her hair is relaxed. I relax the hair because I just cannot stress too much. And the hair, we cut the previous one, and this one is another growing hair, so I decided to relax this one. But as time goes on, I will not relax it anymore. I just want it to from that beginning, so that I don't feel it's always too stressful making natural hair. I have to buy this type of what's it called again, leave-in conditioner, using shea butter and all of that. But Now the hair is due, it's getting due gradually. So this way, the relaxer is going to wear off at some point, so which is going to cause me to trim the hair. So then we can now, enjoy the natural. I like it that way. It's better. I still prefer doing it that way than leaving it from when it was still small, and that way I can't. I no get power for that one again, I beg. So this is our hair. Please kindly like this video, watch, and also share this video, guys. You don't know who might need it. You don't know people in your and I would really appreciate if you leave a comment for me, letting me know that you watch it to the end, and tell me what you feel about the hair, and if I should continue to post more videos on hairstyle, or I should do vlogs or makeup. Yeah, so just leave me a comment, so that way I will not just be uploading and no one is watching. So kindly let me know what you feel or think about the channel. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la, la 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 la, oh, oh, and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh,